Can this piece of tape stop the leak on your home plumbing, including your PEX pipe, your copper pipe, your PVC pipe? Well, stay tuned, we're gonna find out. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. So on this video, we're gonna test out this special tape to see if it will stop the leak on your home plumbing. Let's say you had a pinhole leak or a rupture on your PEX piping or your copper piping at your home. And we're also gonna test other type of hoses as well. Make sure you stay tuned to the very end to check out every single results. This tape is called rescue tape. 950 psi. So keep in mind that the water pressure plumbing in your home is around 80 psi. This is said to withstand 950 psi. 500 degrees Fahrenheit, heat resistant, 8,000 volts electrical insulation. Looks like it's double backing. It's not sticky. It's saying to stretch it 300%, so the more you stretch and the more you apply it while it's stretched, the stronger it will bond and fuse together. I'm gonna go drill a hole on this PEX piping. I'm gonna shut off the water and we're gonna patch up the hole and turn it back on, see if it still leaks. So I'm gonna probably just cut around 8-inch. Take this double-sided tape out. Super stretchable. Go start up here, stretch it. Go around. It's already sticking. Pull it really hard, like that. It's not double-sided, it fuses on itself. So what I'm gonna do now is turn the water back on and check if it still leaks. So there you have it, we turned the water back on and there is no leak whatsoever, not even a wet spot or any leak at all. Remember, this is at 80 psi. This is the regular residential home pressure for your water. Just to prove to you that it is pressurized, let me take out the tape. It's easy to take out the tape. Whoa. So that thing pretty much just blew up on my face. I had to turn down the water. But if you look at this piece of tape, you can't reuse it after you use it. It definitely fused together. See that you can't reuse this tape. And it turned into this harder material. So on that first test, we used the tape while the water was shut off. But what if the water is still running? Let's say there's an emergency leak or there's just like a pipe burst in your home, that there was a pinhole, you can't find the water shut off valve on your home and you need to fix it right away. Can this tape still shut it down? So I'm gonna take off my microphone, prepare to see me get wet for the sake of this video. I can still see that there's a leak over here. I'm taking another piece, see if I can stop the leak. There's that leak right there on top. So I'm stretching it as far as I can. And there you go. Dry it up. I still see a little bit of leak, so I'm going to take another piece. There's no more leak. Fixed it while it was pressurized, and it took 3 pieces of 8-inch tape. The first layer stopped the immense pressure, second stopped the second leak, and the third finalized the pinhole leak. So there you go, all dry. It's pretty awesome. So this is great to have in case of an emergency. Say you're drilling on your wall to hang that picture frame, or you just want to hang something and you accidentally hit that PEX pipe. This is a great thing to have on your toolbox just in case of an emergency, hence why it's called rescue tape. If you're interested on this rescue tape, it comes in various colors. There's black, clear, blue, red. If you're interested on this one, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Check it out and try it out for yourself. Now we're done with PEX piping. Let's test it out on copper piping. Sorry to interrupt right quick, but if you're finding this video super helpful so far, please hit that like, subscribe down below. It'll greatly help out the channel. That being said, let's get back to the video. Now my little helper is putting on the copper pipe. And I'm gonna simulate this next demonstration like a real life scenario. We charged it up, the water is on at 80 psi, just like what you have at your house. And we're gonna pretend that I'm drilling at my wall. Say I wanna go hang up a picture frame and I accidentally punctured this copper pipe. Whoa! So I got this massive leak, use my tape. I'm getting super wet. So on copper pipe, this only took me one piece of tape, which was 8 inches long. And you can see it's dry. There is no leak. Right, buddy? No leak?
No.
See, no leak. See, only one piece of tape. You can see where that hole was. Let me turn down the... You can see where that hole was. Right there. And we're testing it again. No leak. So this gives you enough time to shut this off temporarily and call a plumber. Now again, I don't advise you to use this as a permanent fix. This is for definitely a temporary fix if you have a pinhole leak like that. So here's what I'm very curious on. What if you have a puncture on a braided line? Can this still fix a braided line like this? Let's go test it out. So I marked where the hole is at. There's a lot of open spaces because of the braided steel or aluminum around it. That's what's giving me doubts. But we want to try it out anyways, just in case. Just like what I suspected, it's still leaking. So for this next test, I do have this pinhole leak on my garden hose. Leak has stopped. There you go. Starts leaking again. Now again, this is not my solution for garden hoses, but if you're interested on how to fix holes or damages on your garden hose, I made a specific video on that. So check out this video right here. I'll leave it at the top if you want to find out how to fully fix a punctured garden hose. So check out that video up there. So I'd like to know your opinion. Have you used this rescue tape before? Has it worked well for you? Is this something that you're willing to try? I'd like to know your opinion, so please leave it in the comment section down below. I'd like to know, and what are your thoughts? For me, in my personal opinion, I want to keep this in my toolbox at all time because you never know when you're going to end up puncturing a copper line, a PEX pipe, a PVC pipe, or any type of piping. It works great even though the line is wet, as you can see in the demonstration. You've seen it for yourself. I didn't make any cuts, so definitely not a gimmick and definitely 100% worth it. Not that expensive, friends, so make sure you check out the link if you're interested. Again, friends, if you find this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.